Look what we have here on our property. We've never really gotten this close to it.
My baby.
That's your baby. Let me see.
Los aeróbicos de Simón. Simón quiere que todo el mundo baile el merengue.
Today we are here in Isabela at the Fiestas Patronales, and it's a kind of a cloudy day, but so far we've lucked out and it hasn't rained on us. So let's go check it out. It's just started.
You're the cockroach.
Aiden, watch out, he's gonna peck you, watch out! ¿Te gusta?
What are you about to do? What are you waiting for?
Alright, so here we are in the Casita Isabela during the Fiestas Patronales. We're having some sopa de calabaza, a plate of palmonte, some masitas de pollo. Buen provecho! Dug up tarantula. They live in holes in the ground, and we were just digging a hole to plant a tree and found this guy. How pretty he is. New garden to be planted. What are you doing?
Finally taking down the scaffolding on the side of the house. We don't use it, it's molded, and definitely over time to take it down. really gently.
Oh, it looks different.
Yep. Then once we get this cleaned up, we can plant more stuff.
Look what we have here on our property. We've never really gotten this close to it. This is probably one of the largest flamboyant trees I've even seen in Puerto Rico. It's amazing. It's got these buttress roots, like almost like a ceiba, but it is definitely a flamboyant. You can see all over the ground the red leaves or red petals that it's dropping. And all of the babies, even the babies are huge. This is probably one of its offspring, of the children. But I would guess, in my, just a random guess, that this has to be probably 200 years old, just how big it is, because this is what kind of a baby looks like. And so just in order for it to get to that size. So hopefully we can kind of keep clearing this area, because it's really, really special, almost magical feeling with all of these petals falling all over the ground. It feels very jungly and exotic, and it's right here on the corner of our property, and yet we'd never really explored it.
So this huge flamboyant has a sea of bromeliads with spikes all over them. So I've learned my method of taking these out is to get underneath them and push them over. And then once you get to the root, there's a nice handle on them. I need to just pick them up and then throw them.
And why can't you touch them on their...
These things have some pretty nasty spikes. You should get a close-up of that. Ouch.
This is the wild bromelia's fruit, which is edible. It has these bright red stalks that come out, and then these fruits that you can eat if you are in a survival type of situation. They're kind of hard to get out because of these thorns, but these plants also make really great natural fencing, because nobody would want to go past those. Almost like natural barbed wire.
A baby sick.
He's getting big now, huh? They can run free.
Yeah.
All right, baby, show me what you want to do. Let's go pick a pineapple. You don't think it's ready? I think it is. It's just real little. Oh, yeah, it's beyond ready. We better pick it, baby. It's going to go bad. Pick it, pick it, pick it, pick it. 2 hands. 2 hands.
I got it.
Okay, pull it hard.
I'll go. How about like twist it?
You can twist it. That's good.
Well, I can't.
You might have to use 2 hands. 2 hands. Twist it off. Twist it off.
How about? Well, it'll be easy.
Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it.
I can't.
What is that?
My baby.
That's your baby. Let me see. It's so little. Oh, how's it smell?
Good.
It's a little bit old, huh? We waited a little bit too long to pick it, but show me. I'll take a picture. Pick it up.
See.
Other way, turn this pretty way. There's nice. Look at Mama.
Cheese.
Here's a little garden update. It's just starting. We transplanted some of the bigger plants, like this okra, kimbombo, and some peppers and tomatoes. They're doing okay. The cucumbers had a little bit harder time with the transplant, but the lettuces and the radishes are doing pretty good in these little rows. And this isn't the best soil over here, so we supplemented it. But we'll see. I don't generally do annual gardens because I tend to prefer the perennials. But we did have some good luck with these peppers over here, so that's why I wanted to try some more. This one got stripped by some worms, tomato worms basically, but they're coming back. So I like these ají peppers. And our pumpkins were doing really good. So that was why I decided to start another garden. I also have, this is Juana La Blanca over here. Oh wait, this one is, this is Raquel actually. But there is Juana La Blanca. This is Juana La Blanca. And this is turmeric. So this goes really good, but these are like perennials. And then I also have over here some ginger. This is traditional ginger, edible ginger and the roots. So I do have quite a bit growing out here. This is another ají that's coming back good after the hornworm attack. So, but there's a little update on the garden. Looking good. Moringa. Gutierrez, wow. Keep walking, Aiden. Look how much water's flowing.
Dad, you gotta come look at this.
Look over here.
Yeah, on a wall.
Look who's here. Afraid, Aiden, that chicken's gonna bite you.
You're the cockroach.
Aiden, watch out, he's gonna peck you, watch out.